Hi everybody, I'm Niall. Our headline today is Taiwan's triple stimulus voucher available for pre-order on July 1st. You may know that the COVID-19 pandemic has seriously impacted economies around the world. So, Taiwan is launching a triple stimulus voucher program to help revive its economy. You can buy $3,000 worth of stimulus vouchers for $1,000. Stimulus voucher is the official term for the program. You may also hear other terms like consumption voucher, shopping voucher, and consumer coupon in the news. Triple is an adjective, which means being 3 times as many or as great as something. 3,000 is 3 times as great as 1,000. Available is an adjective. It means something is able to be bought or used or obtained. Pre-order is a noun. It refers to an order for goods or services placed in advance. The prefix pre means before a time of an event. Okay, that's about it. Don't forget to buy your stimulus vouchers. It's a benefit for you and the country. See you next time.